Compared to the click system we're used to, I think the way it fits together is far more effective and also much easier. You simply push and click down from above. It saves time and gives a perfect finish. It fits together far more easily. With the tongue system, you can line them up just with your finger, kind of pre-clip them. Cutting around pipes was pretty easy. No need for warming or anything. A trimming knife, a set square, a pencil, and that was it. Installing it really was pretty easy. I think it must be much quicker to install than other more traditional interlocking floor systems. What we've got here is a new tool that will allow us to work far more quietly and minimize disturbance in occupied environments, for example. Accidents happen, but these planks can be individually removed, whereas with the ones that interlock underneath, you have to dismantle half the floor. I think it's a product that will give us a really beautiful finish, both with precision cuts and tricky cuts around pillars, pipes, etc. I'd give it top marks. I really would. It's great. Easy to cut. You don't need to hammer all along the product. You can even install it with your fingers or just by running a piece of wood all along the product. It's perfect.